cooking show. Anyway, we got lemon, garlic, ginger, lime, apple cider vinegar on a tablespoon. I want to make you guys a lovely tea. 100%. You will love this one. So first thing, I'm going to get 1 cup of water. I'm going to get my lime, and I'm going to slice up my lime. Straight inside of the water. Get a piece of ginger. One clove of garlic. Straight inside of the water. Now we're going to put this to the boil for about 10 minutes. It will take up to 10 minutes to boil. Alright. Lovely and nice. So let's put this to the boil. Hopefully you guys like the recipe. Nice and lovely. So basically, as I can see, it's boiling, and what we're going to do now is pour it off into the cup and sweeten it with some honey. So let's go into it now, guys. Nice and lovely. So this is my cup. This is it right here. So what we're gonna do, you can just simple, just don't strain it. It's better for you to just pour it off like this and get all of those seeds and stuff which are gonna come from the lime. I'm gonna sweeten it with a teaspoon of honey. Organic honey is better. Lemon, lime or lime, whatever you want, but I'm using lime, garlic, and some ginger. Drink this, guys, and see exactly what happened to your body at home. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe like these. Bye bye.